how to add booking link to Google business page. Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add booking link to Google business page. Now, the first step is to copy your booking link. That is your booking link by logging in into your Google account and getting your booking link. Now, after getting your booking link, the next step is to verify your business. Now, if your business is not verified on Google, that is your Google business is not verified, you would not be able to add the booking option. Now, how do you verify your accounts? Go to the lower part of the screen and click on get verified. Now let's click on get verified to be directed to a page where you can select a way to get verified. Click on next, read through the requirements, and then after that click on next, submit the video, and then you'll be good to go. And then once you verified your account on your Google business page, where you can see some icons such as edit profile, read reviews, messages, etc., you will see the booking option being displayed here amongst these other icons. All right, you see the booking option. The reason why it is not on my screen is because my business has not been verified. But once you verified your business, you would see the booking option amongst others here. Select it. Once you select it, you'll be redirected to another page. On this page, select add booking link. I know once you've selected it, in the box given, paste the booking link that you've copied already. Click OK. Just like that, your booking link would be added to your account. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.